Alright, so now we are on page 36 with planning for automated server deployment. Let's see, we've got to download and install the Windows AIK from the website using Windows SIM, create a custom image, and then create an answer file. Alrighty then, let's see if I can locate a nice copy of the AIK. There's one. Let's see if that one works. So I've mounted it. It should pop up here right shortly and ask me, do I want to run it? If it doesn't, I'll go to my computer and double click. Application not found. Already done. Let me get a different one of those. Let's see what we have in here. See if this one will work. Alrighty, let's remove the disk. And try it again. No. We're going to remove that disk. And let me browse to another location where I think I have another copy of this. Now this copy that I have is suitable for 2008 R2 after it has been updated, which this one has. And let's see if this will work. See if this will work. There we go. So I'm going to install it. I hope this installs. This is not looking familiar to me, but we'll see. This is an installer package. I'm not sure what we're going to get here. Okay, let me go back. So I clicked on Start the CD. And let's say yes. Let's see if this is going to bring up what I need to be brought up. There we go. So now the Windows AIK setup. Preparing to install. You've all done this before, so I'm going to pause this. Okay, so I could not be patient and wait for that Windows AIK to install. It didn't seem to be installing correctly anyway. So I mounted the new Windows AIK ISO that I recently downloaded from DreamSpark, and I restarted the computer to see if I could get a better installation or a faster installation of the AIK. Okay, so I'm on my third ISO file now. I'm going to try this AIK file and see if that will work. Nope, it should be coming up asking me if I want to run. Let's see. It's a Windows installer. Try to start the CD again and see what happens here. Okay, let's just set up and see what happens. Just did this earlier today with the student and everything went fine and fast, so not sure what's happening, but you should not have any problem installing this. I want to say we did it with the Windows 7, so I'm going to pause this. Alright, it's moving right along. This should not take too long, but I'll pause it and I'll come back after the installation's complete. Okay, so the AIK has been installed. Let me come have a look. And look, there's my system image manager, just what I'm looking for. The first thing I want to do is create a custom image based on one of the Server 2008 installation images. Alright. Let me come back up here. Let's see. Okay. There we go. There's my custom image. Look how long that took. Now, a new answer file. File. Save answer file as. Let's be reasonable here. I'm going to put it in C under remote install. I'm going to make a new folder called answer files. I'll save this as chapter 1. And save. Oh, good grief, this is retarded. Alright, I'll just save it there. Alright, so now I have completed the plan for automated server deployment practice 1, 2, and 3. And that concludes chapter 1. That wasn't so bad.